Welcome back to the channel. I want to talk to you today about a maintenance item that you may not know exists, and it lives on every tractor. And if you don't do this, it can cost you a lot of money. So stay tuned. I went bush hogging for a little bit, and when I came out, I pulled this dipstick out and I had hydraulic fluid spraying all the way back to the end of the tail wheel. I grabbed my phone and tried to catch it on video the best I could, but I knew that was not right. And so I did a little research on the internet and found out that I have a vent somewhere on this hydraulic system, and I didn't know where it was. Well, come to find out, on this particular tractor, my vent is right here. Okay, but this was clogged with mud. I don't know if it was like a mud dauber or something had clogged that, and the pressure from this hydraulic system had nowhere to go on the sump. And so as soon as I opened that dipstick, all of that pressure came out. So guys, every tractor that uses hydraulics is going to have some kind of vent on the sump. So make sure that that stays clean and clear so that air can pass through it. Now on my Kioti tractor, this is the style of vent that I'm supposed to have. So I'm going to install this later today. It's pretty easy. It's just a hose clamp that goes on here, and that allows that pressure to escape. And we can see there's a little tiny hole at the bottom. So we want to point that down so that rainwater doesn't get in there. So I'm going to install this later and put the hose clamp on it. But other Kioti tractors have the vent on the fill cap itself. Now I bought this from the dealer just to get by because they did not have that vent. So I had ordered this online. It was $10, guys. So this $10 part can possibly cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. If the pressure builds up in the sump system, you can have seals blow, you can get air in your system to cause your hydraulics to run hot. So this is very, very important, very easy to take care of and maintain. So this style of vent that Kioti uses actually screws into the sump, and this is your fill cap for the hydraulic fluid. It just vents out of that right there. So depending on which version of Kioti tractor you have, you may have one or the other. They both serve the same purpose. Now all tractors, not just Kiotis, have this. Yours may look completely different. So it's very important that you look up your model of tractor and find out where the vent is. Sometimes you'll just have a little hole on the side of your fill cap, okay? So guys, make sure you check that. I hate to see you guys have big hydraulic problems for a $10 part that is easily maintained. So I hope this was helpful. Stay tuned for more content and take care.